Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about something super important, the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. We are group 1 from True Sunshine School, and as part of Teacher JT's students, we are excited to share how these 3 simple actions can help us all protect the environment and reduce waste. Right now, we are creating more trash than ever, and it's causing major problems like pollution, overflowing landfills, and harming wildlife. But the good news is that by following the 3 R's, we can make a real difference. It doesn't take much to help. Small actions like bringing a reusable bag or recycling old papers can have a big impact. So in this video, we'll go over each of the 3 R's and show how you can easily use them to make the world a cleaner and greener place. Let's get started. Reduce. So what does reduce mean? It's all about using less. For example, we can buy only what we need or choose items with less packaging to cut down on waste. Now let's answer some questions about reducing waste. Instead of using disposable items, we should switch to reusable alternatives like cloth napkins, marble plates, metal cups, and glass cups. Overpackaged items are products that have way more packaging than necessary. We can reduce overpackaging by using smaller boxes, fewer layers, eco-friendly materials, or offering bulk options. Bulk options allow us to buy more of a product in one big package, cutting down on extra packaging. We can use reusable bags, paper bags, or compostable bags instead of plastic. To reduce aluminum foil, we can use beeswax wraps, silicone bags, or glass containers. For styrofoam, we can choose sustainable alternatives like a molded pulp made from recycled paper, biodegradable packing peanuts, or mushroom-based packaging.
That's it for reduce. Now let's move on to reuse.
Let's talk about reuse, which means find a way to use titles again instead of throwing them away. How should we reuse plastic container and pickle bottle?
We can turn plastic container and pick a bottle into things like plants, pots, straw bin, or even jar for organizing around the house.
How can we reuse cardboard boxes?
Cardboard boxes can be reused in different ways. They can be turned into straw bin, or we can shape them to use as packaging material.
What should we do with rubber paper?
Instead of throwing away wrapping paper, we can reuse it to what future gifts. Make paper from art or shred it for packages.
How can we reuse glass or clothes and cloth bags?
Glass can be reused as storm jar. Old clothes can be cut into cleaning rags or donated, and cloth bags are great for organizing items at home.
That's table reuse. Now let's move on to recycle.
Finally, let's talk about recycle, which means collecting material that will be otherwise be thrown away and turning them into new produce.
How should we recycle newspapers, magazines, and exercise books?
We can recycle them by placing them in a local paper recycling bin.
How should we recycle bottles and tins?
Bottles and tins should be placed in a recycling bin, or we can repurpose them by marking platter, organizer, or even card holder.
How can we recycle garden waste?
Garden waste can be recycled by composting it, reusing it, or taking it into a waste recycling center. Tell us about this question on the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. By following these simple steps, we can all make a big impact on protecting the environment and reducing waste. Remember, every small action counts, whether it's using less, finding new ways to repurpose items, or recycling to give materials a second life. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you learned something useful, and together we can help create a cleaner, greener future. Let's all do our part to take care of the planet.